Hey guys, another new box for you. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I am having a wonderful day. I just got a new box and it just came like literally in the mail 20 minutes ago. This box smells so good. I was like, I got to get on here and make a video so I can figure out what in the heck smells so good in this box. Oh my goodness, it smells so yummy. This box is called Cupcake Kisses Handmade Soaps. You know me. I love it. Any smells good, anytime, any day. I love things that smell delicious. And this box smells delicious. Girl, this box, oh my goodness. Let me tell you a little bit about it. I will wait a few more minutes to open it so I can let you know about this company. I found this cute little company on Cratejoy. Awesome, awesome. It is called Pamper Box by Cupcake Kisses Soaps. The box that I received is the Pamper Me box. They have 3 different boxes, including this box. And it is a monthly handmade natural bath and body box. And let's see, each monthly box will have 3 to 6 full-size handmade bath and body products shipped directly to your door. You can expect quality products such as candles, wax tarts, all natural bath bombs, soothing bath salts, mild soaps, bubble baths, etc. Depending on your box, relax and enjoy because you deserve it. So let's see here. The 3 boxes are called the soap box, and that is $15 a month. That's not bad for the full-size products you receive. And then you have the box called the Bomb Box, and that is $18 a month. And then we have the Pamper Me box, and that is $30 a month. This box was sent to me for review, and I'm sure that I'm going to love it as well as you will love it too. And I like that it is very nicely priced. Awesome. This box has to weigh 5 pounds. It is a heavy box and it is ready to be opened. It did come in a mailer, and I took it out of the mailer because, girl, you know I'm gonna struggle with this thing all day long, and we don't have all day long. So I got it open. Oh my goodness, this smells so yummy. All right, let's get this opened. Here we go. There is my papers. Let's see what my papers say. There's the tissue paper. Let's see what my papers say. It says Cupcake Kisses Soaps.store. Cupcake Kisses handmade soaps. That is the little, and then here is, even this smells amazing. It smells absolutely amazing. And then we have a little note here, and it says, "Dear customer, thank you for your purchase of the Pamper Me box. There was a misprint on the wax tart label as honeysuckle. It is fragranced with birds of paradise. I hope you enjoy my products. Best regards, Amy." Birds of paradise. I think that's what I'm smelling in here. I really feel like that's what I'm smelling. Okay, let's crack open this tissue paper. Get back there. And we will see what we have in here. Oh my. Look at that. Wow. Oh, the smell is amazing. Just amazing. Okay, I have my little, I'm gonna call it a cheat sheet, but I have that. And this is Artisan Handmade Soap. Let me see. This is honeysuckle. Made with skin-loving oils and coconut milk to help moisturize. Kaolin clay helps cleanse and soothe your skin. That is beautiful. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. This, I am going to just live in the bathroom until this bar soap is gone. Oh my goodness gracious, that smells so yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. And they do tell you all about every one of the products. So let's see what else we have in here. We have a honeysuckle wax melts. And I'm hoping that you can see those. It looks like it got a little melted. That's okay, you're gonna melt them anyway, right? Right? No fault of the curator of the box. Those. Okay. Wax tarts. Fill your space with a sense of birds of paradise with not a flame. Let's see here. We can open this. I want to open it and see. The smell is it's just amazing coming from this box. It smells so delicious. It just is appealing and just it smells just yummy. Just it has a little plastic thing on there. Darn it. Let's see if we can't get this off. Okay. And that is what it looks like on the inside. And yep, they got a little, oh, wow. Oh my. I am going to put this in my wax melter. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells like springtime. It just, it smells like fresh cut flowers. That's what it reminds me of. Oh, and that's it's a little butterfly. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That smells absolutely yummy. It literally smells like spring. It just reminds me of spring, which I just love this. I love wax melts. I lost my paper. I love wax melts, and it does come with wax melting instructions. I got that candle all over me. And the weight on this is 3.5 ounces of wax melts. So that's not bad. I need to grab my paper that I threw on the floor. Come on, paper. Okay, I am back. I did not mean to go out of frame. I know some people are very peculiar about that, but I'm just being me. That's it. So let's get on with this and just stop goofing around. Okay, next we have Handmade Emulsified Sugar Scrub Energizing Aromatherapy. That is a big jar. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is used on rough spots let me start over. Use on rough spots or all over your body to reveal soft skin. Well, I'm waiting for that soft skin stuff. Safety seal. Always wonderful to see that. That is the sugar scrub. I've always been interested in learning how to make the sugar scrubs. Every time I try to make it though, it always looks like baby oil and sugar. So I'm kind of curious on how to make those. But this is, it doesn't say, oh yes it does. It's a 9-ounce jar. That's humongous. It has sugar, rice bran oil, safflower oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, emulsifying wax, glycerin, jojoba oil, beeswax fragrance, and optifin. Optifin. I don't know what that is, but... And they do have an Etsy shop, Cupcakes and Kisses. It is www.etsy.com/shop/Cupcake Kisses. You can order this, or you can just order one of these boxes and get one. Come on, makes sense, right? This box smells amazing. I cannot, oh my gosh, the smell is just, oh goodness. Okay, we still have 2 more things in here, and this is whipped body butter, and it's in the scent Midnight Waters. Look at that jar. Ultra moisturizing body lotion made with cocoa and mango butter. Sorry, I was covering my face. Isn't that is it? Oh my goodness. Ingredients: cocoa butter, mango butter, coconut oil. Goodness, rice bran oil, avocado oil. I can't read that last ingredient. Something powder. I think it says arrowroot powder. But anyway, to no avail. And then I cannot see the ounces. Maybe you guys can see the ounces, but this is a big jar. Oh, wow. I like that. You know, I might have to put some on. Oh, and it's nice and thick. It is nice and thick. It is not, I thought it was going to not be thick. You know how some creams and lotions are, but it goes on thick. All right, let's put this on. All right, it leaves your skin nice and shiny. Ooh, it made my tattoo look like it is brand new. It's not brand new though. I used to wait tables and the little ladies used to try and pull it off. They used to think that it was like a real bracelet. Like I could take it off, but it's not a real bracelet. That, remind me to put some of this on. Yes, that is wonderful smelling. Just wonderful. I like that. I like that. And it makes your skin nice and looks moisturized and dewy. Yes, I like that. I like that. That is awesome. And we have one more thing. One more thing. This box is just so worth the amount, the $30. And I really wish, I want to say that this is an 8-ounce jar, but I cannot see that little tiny, I'm trying to see if I can see it in here, but I cannot. If you guys can see it on the screen, let me know. And we have one more thing. Fizzy fairy dust. We got fairy dust. Yay. Just like a bath bomb, but you decide on how much you would like to add to your bath water. Water. Watch as your bath water fizzes. And this is in strawberry champagne. Ooh, I wish I had some strawberry champagne. No, I'm lying. I don't even drink, so. But it sounds good. I have a glass of wine every once in a while. I take a lot of medication, so I have to be careful. I want to open this and smell it. I like that. That smells delicious. It smells just like strawberries. Now, I happen to love strawberries too. So, that's it for my cupcake kisses and handmade soaps. What did you guys think of this box? I think the value is amazing. $30 for all of this, and to me this is going to be more than a month's supply for me, because everything is full size. They're not little sample sizes, and they smell amazing. I wish that you guys could smell it. You need to get your own box for $30. This is the box you would get for $30. So really, this is like an amazing deal. I think that it definitely is worth the $30. And you know me, if I don't like it, I'm going to tell you I don't like it. But I love this, and I'm going to tell you exactly. I love this box. I hope that they keep me on and I keep receiving these boxes, because this is amazing. And now I can't wait to take a bath. I'm gonna go take a bath. And how did you guys like my intro? The music, how did you guys like the music? I was like, it's some old funky music. I love it. It's just funky. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna keep on dancing because I'm gonna put some music in here and you guys are gonna see me dancing. Anyway, if you'd like to get your own Cupcake Kisses handmade soap box, go ahead and click the link that I'm gonna provide down below so that you can get to Crate Joy and snag one of these boxes up and go ahead and get in the bathtub and have yourself a nice warm bath. Okay, guys, I'm out of here because I probably look like a crazy person dancing, but it's okay because you guys know I'm a little crazy anyway. All right, guys, I'm out of here. See you in the next video. Bye now.